Hey y'all, there's something so special about the early morning on a farm, isn't there? The sun peeking over the horizon, the rooster crowing, and the animals waking up ready for the day. It's enough to make anyone want to trade in city living for a little slice of the country. And guess what? You totally can. Starting your own little farm might seem like a big dream, but it's more attainable than you think, especially if you start with the right animals. So if you're ready to roll up your sleeves and embrace the farm life, even if it's just a mini version in your backyard, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 easiest farm animals for beginners. First up, we've got the beloved chicken. These feathered friends are practically synonymous with farm life, and for good reason. Not only are they relatively inexpensive to get started with, but they're also pretty low maintenance. A little coop, some space to roam, and a steady supply of feed and water are all they really need. Plus, they'll reward you with the freshest eggs you've ever tasted. Imagine scrambling up your own farm-fresh eggs every morning, and if you find yourself with a rooster in the mix, you'll be treated to the most charming wake-up call every single day. Trust me, there's nothing quite like it. Don't let their fluffy tails and twitchy noses fool you. Rabbits are more than just adorable pets. These gentle creatures are actually a fantastic option for beginner farmers. They're relatively easy to care for and are known for, well, multiplying. Rabbits are a great source of lean protein, and they can provide a steady supply of meat for your family. But even if you don't plan on raising rabbits for meat, they're still incredibly rewarding animals to have around. They're quiet, relatively clean, and watching them hop and play in their enclosure is guaranteed to bring a smile to your face. Next up, we've got goats. Now, they might be a little more high maintenance than chickens or rabbits, but their playful personalities and abundance of charm more than make up for it. Goats are incredibly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of environments. Plus, they provide delicious creamy milk that can be enjoyed as is or used to make cheese, yogurt, and even soap. Can you imagine making your own goat cheese from milk you got that morning? Just be prepared for some mischievous antics. Goats are notorious escape artists and love to climb on anything they can, but hey, a little bit of mischief is all part of the fun, right? If you're looking for an animal that's both practical and entertaining, then ducks might just be your perfect match. These quacking cuties are surprisingly easy to raise and come with a whole bunch of added benefits. For starters, they're fantastic for natural pest control. Ducks love to gobble up pesky insects and slugs, which means less work for you in the garden. Plus, they lay delicious eggs that are a little richer and larger than chicken eggs. And let's not forget about their playful personalities. Ducks are a joy to watch as they waddle around, splash in puddles, and interact with each other. Last but not least, we have sheep. These gentle grazers are known for their soft fleece, which can be spun into beautiful wool for knitting, crocheting, or even felting. Imagine wrapping yourself up in a cozy blanket made from wool you sheared yourself. Sheep are generally docile and easy to handle, making them a great choice for first-time farmers. They're also relatively low maintenance, requiring a spacious pasture to graze in, fresh water and some supplemental hay during the winter months. And while they might not be as cuddly as some of the other animals on our list, there's something incredibly peaceful and rewarding about watching a flock of sheep graze peacefully in a field. Well, there you have it, folks. 5 fantastic farm animals that are perfect for beginners. Whether you're drawn to the idea of fresh eggs every morning, the pitter-patter of tiny rabbit feet, or the gentle bleating of sheep, there's an animal out there just waiting to welcome you to the wonderful world of farming. Remember, starting small is key. Don't feel pressured to jump in all at once. Choose an animal that truly speaks to you. Do your research and get ready to experience the joys of raising your own livestock. Now, I'd love to hear from you all. What farm animals are you most excited about? Share your farm fresh dreams in the comments below.